Hey guys, it's Robin White. I'm a website designer and the owner of Time to Task. And today I'm going to show you how to set the featured image for a specific page on your WordPress website. So here we are in the WordPress dashboard, and we're going to go over to the left and select Pages and All Pages. This will bring us into all of the pages that we've created for the website. And I'm just going to select the top page, which I've called About. And underneath it, you can see there's a couple of options: Edit, Quick Edit, Trash, and View. And I'm actually going to click on Edit. That will take us into the WordPress editor. And what I'm going to do here is actually focus on this area at the right. And there's a whole bunch of information here that we'll go over at a different time. But for today, what I'd like to focus on is featured image. And you can see, you can click on that arrow to show the image, click it up if you want it to be smaller. But we're gonna click down on it, and we're gonna click on the box that says Set Featured Image. And what that's going to do is bring us into an area where we can either upload a file to our WordPress media library or click on Media Library up here, and it will bring us to all of the files that we've already uploaded. So what I'm actually going to do is select my logo, an image file that I've already uploaded, and set that as the featured image. So how you do that is just click on the image, and then down here on the bottom right, there's a blue button that says Set Featured Image. And if you click on that, it will automatically show up here as the featured image. And then in order to save that, you just click on Update at the top, and you're all set. And basically, the featured image is there when you're doing a Google search and your page shows up. Sometimes there can be a featured image there. If you're sending someone, or if you're dropping a link to a page on your website in, for example, a Facebook group, the featured image that you have selected will show up there. So you do want to think carefully about what featured image you choose. I hope you guys found that helpful. If you did, it would be great if you could click subscribe, and I hope you have a great day.